And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first, this evening, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake is defending the accuracy of the crime data from the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
He addressed the issue in a video release earlier today.
We have details in this report.
One of the most significant outcomes of 2024 has been the 18% reduction in murders.
Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake in his last media release for 2024. Criminals have been wreaking havoc across sections of the country and the police have been responding. Several police divisions saw a dip in murders with Kingston Central, Hanover, St. James and Kingston Western leading the way with 40, 35, 34 and 32% respectively. Armed with the latest figures, Dr. Blake revealed that overall shootings, rapes and robberies are also down.
Through a collective effort, there has been a 14% reduction in overall major crimes thus far in 2024. Our ability to maintain law and order has been significantly bolstered through enhancements to our policing capabilities.
However, some continue to question the data from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, claiming that reports of multiple double, triple and quadruple murders have left Jamaicans living in fear. Dr. Blake sought to address the critics.
The statistics we present do not lie. They are rigorously compiled, analyzed and transparently shared with the public. To cast doubt on these figures is to erode the trust and confidence that we have painstakingly built over time. Such narratives serve only to benefit the criminals who thrive in an atmosphere of doubt and mistrust. Let us not allow misinformation to diminish the progress we have collectively achieved.
And so, the police commissioner insists transparency remains a critical component to the JCF's overall approach to public accountability.
When crime statistics have moved in the wrong direction, we have been the first to report them. Similarly, when trends are positive, we share that information with the same level of openness. Our credibility in communication is non-negotiable, as it forms the foundation of the trust we continue to build with the public and our partners.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
We go now.